For this assignment, we will go over question number 1 so that you understand how to use the calculator that we have linked here. And so you'll just start by clicking there. So now that we have the calculator open, we're going to go back to our problem and see the numbers we have. So here we have just our credit card interest. We'll use that for all of the assignments. They tell us the minimum payment needs to be 3% of that, and for this first one, our starting balance is $12.75. And so with this, if you pay in the full balance, how much would you pay in interest? And anytime you pay it off in full, then your answer is 0. So that is there. So now though, for number 2, here's where we're going to have to put the numbers into the calculator. So we'll come here, our balance is $12.75. Our interest was 19.9, and then you would have to use your calculator to figure out what should we be paying off. So I just took that times 3%, so 38.25, and then if I click calculate, here's all the answers you're going to need to complete number 2. As your balances change, you just do the same thing to complete that. And then on number 5, it's just you finding some of your own items and using the calculator in the same way.